It's your boy Double Grace, the urgent 2K boy. I'm here with my boss.
SMP.
Okay, nice to meet you, SMP. I'm Double Grace.
My name is SMP Movies.
Okay, SMP, what do you like most about yourself?
What I like most about myself,
Tell y'all is that it's
I love
about
my,
to go
my
down.
personality.
Okay, love your personality. Okay, SMP, can I ask you a question?
Go on.
Okay, what is the most painful thing a girl have done to you?
Well, the most painful thing a guy has ever done to me is leaving me when I need her most.
Okay, do you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have a girlfriend.
Yeah, a single.
Yeah, I'm single.
What kind of girl do you like?
Hey. Chubby, nah. I don't like slim girls, so like chubby girls.
Short or tall?
Average.
Big bum bum or small bum?
When I know when I say chubby girls, I mean big bum bum. Now like Abomoria Bonzana.
Which style do you like, missionary or doggy?
Doggy perfect. Like and I'm why.
Okay, can I play a game with you, Mr. SMP?
You want to play a game with me?
Yeah. You have a chance of winning 2K.
Alright, I'm in.
Okay. How many followers did Tunde no have on Instagram?
Tunde none.
You have a 5 seconds to answer it. 1, 2, 3.
It's more like I don't know. Like uncomfortable. I don't know.
Yes.
It is finished.